Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Use the left stick to move Arthur and the right stick to control the camera. Interact with objects and people using the indicated button prompts. The minimap in the bottom left corner guides your journey, showing objectives and points of interest. Getting comfortable with these basics will set you up for a smooth start in the vast open world. The world of Red Dead Redemption 2 is enormous, spanning 5 distinct states. Exploration is key. Ride your horse to discover new locations and secrets. When combat arises, aim for critical areas like the head for quick takedowns. Deadeye is a powerful ability that allows you to slow down time, giving you a significant advantage in firefights. Practice using it to become a master gunslinger. Your camp is your home base, and contributing resources like food and money is vital for morale and upgrades. Keep an eye on Arthur's 3 core stats: health, stamina, and Deadeye. These improve through various activities and challenges. Visit the general store or gunsmith to purchase new outfits, tonics, and weapon modifications. A well-equipped Arthur is a successful Arthur in the Wild West. The main story missions are marked on your map and will guide you through Arthur's epic journey. Beyond the main narrative, the world is brimming with optional activities. Help strangers, hunt legendary animals, or try your luck at a game of poker. There are hundreds of hours of content to explore, offering unique rewards and expanding your experience in the American frontier. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.